Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm doing a first impressions / skincare routine, and this is the product that I'm doing the first impressions on, the L'Oreal HYDRAFRESH toner. And if you do not know what a toner is, we will get you all caught up later on in the video. Okay, so in order to properly use this product, you want to first make sure your skin is clean, which is the first step in my skincare routine as well. And lately I've just been using my Neutrogena Fresh Foaming Cleanser Duo. It is a makeup remover and a cleanser all in one. Alrighty guys, you want to wet your hands and your face first. I'm getting a pump of the facial wash, and I'm just using circular motions and ugly faces. And guys, this cleanser is soap-free, alcohol-free, and oil-free. Okay, now that our face is nice, clean, and dry, it is time for the HYDRAFRESH toner. Okay guys, now the big question, what the hell is a toner and why are we even using it? Toners are used to shrink pores and moisturize the skin. It is meant to be used after the cleanser, which we are doing right now. And also, it removes any cleanser residue and anything that the facial cleanser may have left. Now guys, there are many toners on the market and all of them have different claims. The L'Oreal HYDRAFRESH toner claims to be 99% alcohol free, refreshes in a splash, dermatologist tested, leaves the skin soft and supple, and it also says it reveals smooth, brighter complexion. So that means it is meant to brighten the skin as well and make the skin look more awake. And guys, I will say that since I've added this product to my skincare routine, I have noticed a difference in my skin as far as how it feels. It feels much more hydrated than normal. We are going to let that dry, and after it dries, we're going to use a moisturizer for our face, and this is the one we're using. And y'all, the products may change, but my skin routine is always the same. I always use a cleanser and a moisturizer. Toner is something additional that, not additional, is something that I've added to my skin routine that I'm trying. I'm just rubbing the lotion into my skin. Okay guys, and that is pretty much it. We are basically done. This is my current 2018 skincare routine. This is what I am doing daily. I just added toner to my skincare routine. And like I said, the products may change, but the routine is still the same. Guys, if you like videos like this, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I am all about skincare because that is the most important thing. Your skin under your makeup, you know, it's kind of important under there, guys. So you must take care of it. Like I said, guys, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And guys, I'm thinking of doing a DIY spa day video as well. I think that would be really fun. So comment below and tell me what you guys think about that. I'm trying to incorporate more videos besides makeup because there are a whole bunch of other things that I like to do and that I'm interested in besides makeup. So yeah. But like I said, as always, thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.